Turn a toilet repair into a hands-on lesson that teaches problem-solving, safety, and basic plumbing concepts. Start by explaining the goal and safety steps in plain terms, describing where water and electricity are involved, and why we turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve before touching anything. Demonstrate each step slowly while narrating what you are doing, naming parts like the tank, flapper, fill valve, and overflow tube so children learn vocabulary alongside the task. Let them count out actions such as the number of times you plunge, or the number of turns when tightening a nut so they practice sequencing and measurement. Offer one carefully supervised task for them to try, such as holding the flashlight, feeling the water shutoff handle move, or operating the plunger under guidance so they build confidence without risk. If a repair requires tools, show how to hold each tool and explain why using the correct size and gentle force matters to avoid damage. Finish by testing the fix together and asking open questions about what changed and why, so they reflect on cause and effect. Common mistakes include rushing through shutoff and causing a flood, so always stop and confirm the shutoff by flushing and watching that water stops refilling. Another issue is over-tightening fittings, which leads to cracks or leaks. So teach using steady, moderate pressure and testing for leaks rather than forcing parts. A third frequent concern is skipping basic maintenance, which turns minor problems into major repairs. So set a simple routine such as monthly checks of the flapper and tank components and encourage the child to help check on that schedule. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors connect with people looking for work. We also host an active discussion community where families and professionals share tips, ask questions, and post photos so everyone can learn from real experiences.